In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upgrade your Hostinger hosting plan so your website can handle more traffic, unlock better features, and scale with your needs. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Click the login button at the top right and sign in with your account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset option provided. Once logged in, go to your dashboard. From the top menu, click Websites, then find the site you want to upgrade and open its dashboard. On the left side bar, select Plan Details. Here you will see your current plan, and at the bottom you will find the Upgrade button. Click it and Hostinger will show you the available higher tier plans like Premium, Business or Cloud Hosting. Compare the options carefully. Each has different features and price points. Once you've chosen the plan that best fits your needs, click Select. Next, you'll be taken to the payment page. Review your plan details, duration and cost, then proceed to checkout. Choose your preferred payment method, complete the transaction, and you're done. Your website is now running on a stronger hosting plan, ready to grow with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials.